How do I tell my roommate they snore? You want to wait till they're awake, and then you want to tell them. This is not a big deal. People get really embarrassed about this, but if someone's sleeping and they're snoring, they don't know they're snoring, so you're actually doing them a favor by telling them they're snoring. For me, my wife, she'll wake me up and say, sleep on your side. And then I end up getting a mouth guard to help me because it opened up my airway, because there could be something medical going on. And that's the point, is you want to let them know. And you could say, hey, I don't know if you know you snore, because sometimes it could be kind of loud. I don't know if you have some type of restriction in your airway or something where you want to talk to a doctor. The other thing is, if it gets loud, are you cool if I wake you up? If I just ask you to sleep on your side. And beyond that, you can wear some headphones that kind of make it a little quieter. But just tell your roommate this is not a big deal. It's snoring and you're doing them a favor.